Now, Holy Quran, we can get the guidance for every matter. So for this purpose, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was raised among those people so that he could eradicate all the social evils from the society and lead mankind or humanity to the path of strong or true beliefs. So one day when Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the cave of Hira, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam appeared and conveyed. Conveyed means stated, told to him the following message of Allah Almighty. Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam appeared at that moment when Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in meditation in the cave of Hira. Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam stated that Allah has a message for him. Allah said in Surah Alaq, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq, Iqra wa rabbukal akram, allazi allama bil kalam, allama al insana ma lam ya'lam. The English translation is given, read in the name of thy Lord who created man from a clot of congealed blood. Read, and the Lord is most bountiful, who taught the use of the pen, taught man that which he knew not.